Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I just wanted to stop in for a minute and share with you the finished sailor baby journal that I made for my friend. Uh, and so I'm just going to do a quick flip if you want to see it, because you didn't see it finished or haven't seen it before. Now's your chance. So I tied this with the chiffon. I get this at Hobby Lobby, and I love it. They're little rolls. They're kind of pricey, but yet you don't have to buy a whole thing of sari silk if you like the chiffon. And then I added this twine with it. I don't know if I'm going to leave it or not. I think it'll be up to the people it's going to or their grandma. Anyway, so it's just got a small spine, a 3/4 inch spine, and then the back is just, I left plain. And this is all was printed on fabric, and then I hand stitched all the little details around and put it on the front on a piece of cork. And this cork is contact paper that you get like at the office, not office, Home Depot or somewhere. It comes on a roll, and it's actually like contact paper. So anyway, so this is the first page here. I've got a little book. It says your first breath took ours away. And then I've got a tag here and a little envelope she can store some things in. And then I had this little passport book, and I've always wanted to use it. I don't even know where I found it. But look at it, it's just a little notebook. But it's called the Passport USA, which is perfect for them, being that they're both in the Navy. Here's a little pocket here, and I have a journal card in there. Can you all see this? Because I feel like I'm out of frame. Journal card in this little pocket here, and there'll be more room for her to put other things, her or him, the dad. This little pocket here is for a photograph, I think, if they want to put a picture inside there. I'll have to check that out. So then it says 1 month old, and this is where you would write the date, their height, their weight, and then cute, funny things I can do. So maybe just something that they've done since they were born. You know, it's only 1 month. They don't do too much at that time. Then here's blank pages. She can put photographs. She can put other pieces of ephemera that she has about the baby, or write, you know, a whole entire page of notes on the baby. Then here I have a little pocket, a little fold-out pocket. It's got a little tag in here and a couple little ticket type things there, and tags sit inside there, and then a little belly band there with the ticket on it. And this is for 2 months old, this page. Then we have another pocket here, and I put some of my corners for pictures in there, so when she needs to add a picture, she'll have these, and she can mount the pictures on those. And she wouldn't even need to have glue because they're sticky on the back. Okay, and then here's 3 months old, and a pocket here with a journaling card. I put a little bit of lace. We have to have a little lace, even though it's a boy. Here is 4 months. I made this little booklet just for fun. And then we have a writing page here, here, and here. And this is a pocket, which doesn't have anything. So, but she could put, you know, whatever papers that she might want to store inside there, photographs or whatever. We have lots of pockets like that, so I don't have to fill them all. I'll let them do it. This is another little pocket here, and did I glue it in? What did I do? Oh my goodness. All right, well, I'm going to have to get that out, but I'm not going to pull on it because I'll rip it, maybe. Anyway, I must have got some glue on the back. This is another little picture frame that I just put this little guy in here because he looks like he's in uniform. And she could put a picture of the baby in there. But I just put him in there for fun. Thought he was cute. And then this is 5 months old. Got to get that out. I'll get it. Okay, 5 months. And then little rickrack here on this edge. 6 months old. More writing space. 7 months old. And a couple pages. Oh, that's the center page. It's just so cute. I didn't want to do anything to it. I just leave it with that cuteness. And then a couple journal cards in this little corner pocket, side pocket. And we got 8 months old, 9 months old, 10 months old. And then here's another little pocket. This is one that opens up. You take those out. This opens up and you have journaling space inside here. And on the back, you know, there's several places you could write on this paper. And then the tags. And that just slips down inside there. And then there's a tag back here for that back pocket. And here is a pocket, and I have two little golden books, and one is Theodore Mouse Goes to Sea, and the other one is Scuffy the Tugboat. So I thought that was the only two things I could find related to a boat or water type thing like that. So that's from my collection. This is 11 months old, a couple little tags at the bottom. This one is paper clipped on tightly. I needed to take that pocket off. I mean that flip. Okay, and then I've got a little journal card here. And this is a vintage, out of a vintage book. And I have been saving this forever. And finally, I have a little guy with a sailor outfit, and he's in a boat, and I think that's his mom in the back. But I just been wanting to use that for so long, and this was the perfect journal. Okay, I'll just put him back there. That's just an altered paper clip. And then here's 1 year old, and I put his name across here with these little tile things I had. Here's another envelope with the journal card in there. And plain journaling. Here's some of the lace that I had that was anchors. I just love it. It's so cute. Perfect for this. Here's another little pocket. And let's see, I've got this tied, so that must have a reason. Oh, little journaling space here, and another little card in here to write on. I want to go down inside there. And then I just put this little tie in case it flipped open. Okay. And then we have places where she can add pictures, photographs. Again. Okay, so now this is in the back. I have this little notebook. Well, not a notebook. It's pockets, actually. And I made this, and I think I just did a video. I should have had a video up on that, I think. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so here's a little button, and then I did put magnets to hold it closed because it was pretty bulky. And then it opens up like this, and we've got all of our little pockets, and inside these pockets I made little frames for them. So I put these in. They don't have to leave them in. They can put their baby's pictures in those, and then they can attach these. Let's get it back in there where it's not crooked. I can't get it straight now. but they can be attached anywhere in the journal. So, you know, if they want to put it on a page and put the baby's picture. And there's, I don't know, 6 or so of those. There's 1, and then here's, oh, these are 2 more. So I just put those little cards in there just to have something inside these if they wanted to. They could glue them on to one of the pages. And then there's another one there. So, and one right here. So, thanks for watching this series on this journal. I enjoyed making it, and I'm happy to do it for my friend. And I hope that they'll like it. And yeah, it's like, you know, I don't know if people do baby books much anymore, but this is a little bit different than just your everyday baby book. So, and I know that the young moms today, they do the monthly thing. My niece is always, every month, you know, we see pictures on Facebook of the baby. So, I guess that's it for this, and I'll just move it on and pass it on to my friend. I'm going to see her tomorrow, and I'm excited to show her. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.